2024 tried to take me out, but it didn't win. But I will say, through the hardship, I have learned a lot of lessons. And the thing is, your life wants you to win at life and enjoy life and love life. But sometimes these lessons feel like they trying to take you out. And they might. But it's trying to build you up to your very best self, your wisest self, your strongest self, your most understanding self, your very best self. Life literally wants you to win at life. But it gets hard. You know why? Because everybody is trying to follow the same blueprints. Life is school. We might have done elementary school, middle school, high school, college, so on and so forth. But after you're done applying for school and sitting in classrooms and you never go back to school, life is going to still be a teacher. Life is still going to be a classroom, and you are forever going to be a student. You're never going to stop learning. You're never going to stop having lessons in your life. It doesn't stop. You are supposed to use the knowledge and the tools that you have to get yourself out of any and every situation. The issue is, while we're all sitting in this large classroom with the teacher of life, everyone isn't answering the questions to their best ability for themselves. And if that doesn't make sense, it's like you're in class. Everyone is taking the same class, but everyone has a different assignment. And you're looking at your classmates' tests to see what their answers are. And you put it down and you're not passing, even though they passed, because that answer wasn't for you. Those answers don't work for your life. Life wants us to win, but you have to find your answers to your life. Like, life can be very challenging. And if you're anything like me that just transitioned over to the 30s, you know how challenging that jump is. And when I say, baby, it really will try to take you out. I almost didn't make it. We're going to save that story for another time. But in those hardships, in those challenges, in those obstacles, and on the top of the mountain that you're trying to get over, your life still wants you to win. But you have to pay attention to what your life is trying to show you and trying to teach you so that you can peep game, understand, and you try to figure out your best case scenario on how to get out of those challenges. We all love games. We all love playing Call of Duty or Super Mario. We all love to play those games, and each level gets harder and harder, but you don't quit and say, man, Mario not finna eat this mushroom today. You be like, man, challenge accepted. We need to start looking at our lives. We need to start looking at our lives like our game. Every day it might be an obstacle, and it's time for you to step up and show yourself, oh, I got this. This nothing. I'm going to show you how it's done based off of what I know. You can't use what they know, because what they know not going to work for your situation. Life wants you to win at your life, but you have to be following your own rules to make it through. You can't be playing Super Mario trying to pull out a gun so you can kill the zombies, because they don't have zombies in Mario. That tactic does not work in that game. You have to figure out your tactics that work for your game, because in your game, you are the main character and your objective is for you to win, but everybody is playing a different game and everybody has different papers. You know, when you was in class and it was time to take a test and you looked over and it said test 1 and you had test 2, and you like, oh shoot, even if I needed to copy, I can't even copy because Shorty got a different paperwork than me. Yeah, that's what that is. So it's not going to work if you're copying off of someone else's test, because it's a different sheet. Just know your life wants you to win, but it's up to you to try to figure out your game, and you need to get skillful on how it is you're going to win at your game. Your life wants you to win. Do you want to win? And you can't cheat your way through your own life. Ain't no shortcuts through your own life. How you gonna finesse your life? How that work? Nevertheless, your life wants you to win, and it's really up to you if you want to try to figure out how to become the champ at your own game. Because we can all be winning out here if you just follow your own rules. You have your own gifts, you have your own powers in your game. Now try to figure out how to use them and win, so you can be winning out here in your life and you can enjoy your life. Because why live it if you're not going to enjoy it? Why live it if you're not going to enjoy it how you want to enjoy it, and you're just going to enjoy it how they tell you to enjoy it? Live your life, learn your life, love your life. Try to figure it out so you can really enjoy it. That's a part of the plan. So I just wanted to say that really quickly. Live, love, enjoy, learn, game on.